Did you know your sneeze is more powerful than a storm? Yup. It's basically nature's nose cannon. A single sneeze can shoot out at 100 miles per hour and release over 100,000 droplets into the air. That's faster than some race cars and way messier. Those droplets? They can travel up to 26 feet. Now here's the wild part. If you try to hold in a sneeze, you could actually hurt yourself. There are rare cases of burst blood vessels, damaged eardrums, even air trapped in your chest. So if it's coming, let it out safely. Your sneeze is powerful and a little dangerous, so next time someone sneezes near you, run. Hit that like button, follow for more weird facts.